Tim and Tina? Hello, my little friends! Today we are going to color Tim and Tina together. Wow! I'm so excited! What do you think? I think let's start with Tim. That's right! Tim has got shiny green eyes. So let's get started. That's right! He's got green eyes. Now, let's use a creamy color for his face and hands. Yes, creamy color. Well done! After his face and hands, it's time for Tim's golden blonde hair. So, I think we are going to use our yellow color. That's amazing! Yes, yellow! And red for his lips. What's that? A suit? That's right, suit. Let's color it dark gray. That's right, dark gray. Wow, it's so cool! He's got a suit! His pants are dark gray too. And finally, let's color his shoes black. That's right, black! Wow, is that a phone? I think so. So let's use our gray color for his phone. Well done. Now it's Tina's turn. Let's color Tina's eyes green. Just like Tim's eyes. Now, let's color her face and hands a creamy color. Don't forget to color her hands too. Well done! Kids, Tim has got blonde hair, but Tina has got brown hair. So let's take our brown color and color her hair. Good job! That's brown. forget to color her lips red. Wow, look at Tina's big glasses. They are so cool. Let's color them black. What do you think? Amazing! What's that, kiddos? Is that an earring and headset? That's correct. Let's color them pink and gray. First, I'm using my pink color, and then I'm going to use my gray color. She's got a beautiful tie too. Let's color it yellow. Yellow color for hair tie. Uh-oh, Tina's got suit too. No way. Let's color her suit dark gray, just like team suit. That's right, dark gray. Dark gray suit for our beautiful Tina. Don't forget to color her pants too. And finally, black color for her shoes and a little bit of shading. Wow, I can't believe we did this. Our painting looks so pretty. I love it. I'm so proud of you, my little friends. We are almost done. Yoo-hoo! We did it! Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye!